Okay, good afternoon po. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lugaw 3 Points. Ito po, may bago po akong tinuturuan, si Shin. Mga magtutuman sa siya. Dati hindi masyado maka-dribble. Ngayon, ang galing na. Ang galing niya ngayon. Okay, start, Shin. Go, double. Yes. Double. Nice. Double. Yan. Galing na yan. Back. Back. Yan. Si Shin. Shin Coloso, 10 years old, 12, 11 ano? 11 years old, 12 years old. Galing na. Okay, sige, back, forward. Yes. Nice. Nice. Okay, back. Nice. Galing yan, ha? Kita nyo naman. Dati hindi makadribble yan. Okay, one hand. One hand. One hand. Okay, one hand back. Left. Left. Very good. Bend. Bend pa. Okay, mababa. Side by side. Yes, good. Yan. Very good. Very good. Okay, back. Left hand, back hand. Nice, Shin. Very good. Nice. Okay, next, between the legs. Between the legs. Nice. Oh. Between the legs. Yes, between the legs. Back. Okay. Back. Nice. Yes, nice. Yes, nice. Okay, between the legs. Forward. Nice, okay. Yeah, between the legs. Okay, back again. Go. Okay, last, forward. Forward, one hand. Yes. Back. Left hand. Left hand. Forward again. Forward. Back. Okay. Yan, si Shin. Galing na ho yan. Okay. Okay, thank you very much po. Mamaya na po ulit. Yes. Okay. Sige, sige. Okay, go. Nice shot. Okay. One more. One more. Go. Yes, very good, Shin. Okay. Dribble naman. Pag gano'n naman, use the board din. Huwag na layup, ha? Huwag na layup. Go. Go. Jump. Jump.